Welcome back to another recipe. Today on In the Kitchen we're going to be making bacon ranch chicken sandwiches, also known as the cracked chicken recipe. Yeah, so I'm so excited about this. The things you're going to need: you're going to need 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese, ranch dressing, the dry mix, real bacon bits, that is 2.5 ounces of that. Okay, you're going to need some kind of shredded cheese. It could be Kobe Jack, mild cheddar. I have a Mexican style 4 cheese. It doesn't matter, just any kind of shredded cheese. You're also going to need buns, and you're going to need 4 to 5 skinned chicken breasts depending on their size. Now I have put a little salt, a little pepper on this, and I've set it to the side. I've sprayed my crock with non-stick as well. Go ahead and grab yourself a medium-sized mixing bowl. Next step is to start mixing all your ingredients. Also, set your cheese aside because you don't need it right now. So I have softened my cream cheese just a bit. You're going to add your dry ranch mix and your bacon. You also can use real bacon for this. And you're going to mix all of the ingredients together. Once everything is mixed well, now you're going to spread it over top of your raw chicken breast in your slow cooker. Once you have your mixture spread over top of your chicken, now the last thing to do is turn on your crock pot and leave this for 6 to 8 hours on low or 4 to 5 hours on high. Do not let your chicken overcook, so I definitely recommend probably cooking this for 4 hours on high if you're going to do high, which is what I'm going to do. I want this done in time for dinner. Now you just forget it for the next few hours. After 4 hours of cooking in the crock pot, it's time to shred your chicken. You can do this with 2 forks like I'm gonna do, or you can use a hand mixer, which is fine. But at the end of the day, what you want to do is make sure all this is shredded up really well for sandwiches. And you can finely chunk this up or leave it really chunky. That's completely up to you. The chicken is all shredded. Everything is mixed really well. Last and final thing you're going to want to do, get your bun ready. Some of your mixture on there. Take your sprinkled cheese and put some on top. And a little side note, what you can do to get this to melt, you can put this in the oven under the broiler for about 45 seconds, just enough to get your cheese to melt. It's so hot right now, the cheese is going to melt regardless. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to serve this with chips, and it's done. Super easy, simple, and this is perfect for cookouts. Very quick dinner nights, you're busy on the go, throw this in the crock pot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this In the Kitchen recipe. I thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more recipes. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell if you haven't already. And also don't forget to check the description box out for additional In the Kitchen links, as well as the recipe. And thank you again for watching.